Hello everyone, welcome back to Elegant Coder. In this video, we will learn what is variable in C++. Let's get started. What is variable? A variable is a name given to a memory location to store data. It can change during program execution. Example, int age equals 20, syntax of variable declaration. Syntax, data type variable name equals value. Example, int age equals 18, float height equals 5.6, char grade equals A. Rules for naming variables. Must begin with a letter, A to Z or A to Z, or underscore. Cannot begin with a digit. No special characters like it, hash, %, etc. Case sensitive, age, and age, a different. Example program. Hashtag include IO stream, angle bracket. Using namespace std, int main, int age equals 20, cout insertion operator, your age is, insertion operator age, return 0. In this video, we learned about, checkmark what is a variable. Checkmark how to declare a variable. Checkmark variable naming rules. Checkmark example program. Subscribe to Elegant